All right, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time, it's always time to make this money. Speaking about time, it is 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to go over some Bitcoin, and then we're also going to go over some news really quick. A lot of really interesting news, and there's one thing that I really want to just stress, especially in this coming market. So let's go and go with some news first. It's going to be fairly quick, guys. Kind of like a rapid fire for the news. Meme coin season. Is meme coin season here? A lot of meme coins have been popping off, especially on the Solana system. We have Pepe, we have Bonk. We entered Bonk, I believe it was a day ago, and that one's doing really well. George from Cryptos R Us was talking about Bonk as well this morning. And meme coins, they're going to make us a lot of money, guys. They're going to make us a lot of money, but just be careful. Make sure to take profit. Take profit on the way up, because don't be like those that hold it all the way down. So in 7 days, there's another coin prepares for massive airdrop. And I have this up here so you can read or see where it's from. And then, of course, if you do want the further information, you can, go ahead and check that out. But just to let you know, people are talking about the meme coins. All right, moving on. Next one, Edward Snowden. If you have not seen Snowden, that is probably one of the best movies, in my opinion, besides from the Jason Bourne series and Mission Impossible series. This is one of the best movies. Now, Edward Snowden says he predicts the government Bitcoin buys. U.S. transfers 15,085 Bitcoin following price surge. So in here, it kind of gives you some more information as far as what he's thinking, what he's talking about. The government really doesn't want, well, the government, for one, wants us to be controlled by their CBDC or whatever it's called. I forget all the letters, but it's a central bank digital currency. There you go. And just think about it, though. What happened to the people? When was this? In 2021, 2022? Back up there in Canada, where there was a strike or something. I forget the details. Strike, and the drivers, the truckers, and then the banks wouldn't give them money. And so they were literally held hostage with their money. And that's what the banks will do. The banks, if they have control to where all they have to do is switch something off, they can do it. I mean, they can do it now, freezing your bank accounts and everything else. But it will be so much easier for them to know exactly what you're doing, where you're at, because of the blockchain. So for that reason, I don't like that idea. And crypto is supposed to be free for the people. It's not supposed to be run by the government. That's one main reason I really do not like XRP, is because it's for the banks. That goes completely opposite of what crypto's supposed to be. But of course, you have all the XRP maxis where, give me the Kool-Aid. I want the Kool-Aid drinking people, man. Do your research. Do your research. I was one of those. I had the cup in my hand and everything. It was grape too. I smelt it and looked at it. I didn't taste it though. I didn't taste it. I'm not too smart for that. But do I still hold some? Yeah, of course. I'm gonna wait till it goes to like $3, maybe $5. Hopefully this bull run. We'll see. Nobody knows. But I will be selling all of it November 2025. And I recommend everybody do the same. November 2025. That's the last of my long-term investments. We're all gonna make a whole bunch of money. And I'm just super, super excited. Super, super excited. Now, why didn't that pop up? There it is. Okay. I was like, where is it? Ian's here. What's up, Ian? What is up, buddy? What's going on, Dave? Dave P. What's up, buddy? Appreciate you, man. So Coinbase adds smart wallet feature, so lengthy seed phrase aren't needed. What's your thoughts on that? When I first started, and I had to do a seed phrase, and I had to write it down. I was like, why do I have to write down all these words? It's so dumb. Like, why can't I just click it and say accept? However, like, this is dealing with a lot of money. Shoot, man, I write down 10 seed phrases, lengthy of them. I don't care. Like, this is dealing with my money. And this is the key. Now I understand. But before, it's like, why can't I just hit accept or just say yes? Why do I, man, it's so dumb. And I think I just wrote it on a piece of paper, not even in a book. But I have that paper in one of my books now. So what are your thoughts on that? For me, I'd rather write this down and then put it in two places. And that way, of course, I don't have to worry about my smart wallet being hacked as much. That's just my thoughts. Those are my thoughts. So let me know your thoughts. And if you're watching this on the replay, let me know your thoughts as well. Would you rather have a smart wallet or a wallet that you have to do the seed phrase? Now, in reference to the smart wallet, I didn't read this. I just brought it up real quick. I'm not sure if it's like one of the keys, you know, the wallets they have now, where it does like the Bluetooth and everything else. Let's see, the smart wallet will be in addition to the Coinbase wallet SDK, a software toolkit that allows developers to create a wallet instantly inside. Okay, meaning no complex systems like using I don't know. I mean, I would like not to have the extra step and just the ease of just, oh, I did another wallet. But for me personally, I would really like the seed phrase. Oh man, I'm getting errors. How in the world am I getting errors? Please use. So in my Open Studio, please use something. Says, please use keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Okay, 4 seconds or less. Signal strength is 4. I didn't change anything on this thing. I don't know what's going on. Stream frequency is normal. Please use a keyframe frequency. I'm going to have to copy that and then investigate it later. Okay, so let me do this. Seed phrase only, yeah. I mean, it would be good to have the, you know, the comfort of not having to do a whole bunch of stuff. But, I mean, that's your money. So, okay. Moving on. So, I believe everything is good. Let's come back over here. And hopefully this problem fixes with this error. Hopefully my stream goes good. If not, then it's okay. So to speak about the Kool-Aid drinking people, and I know everybody who drinks Kool-Aid is gonna hate me. You know, what do you mean? XRP is going to $1,000 this bull run. Okay. A long-awaited airdrop update benefiting certain XRP holders. Good for you. Good for you. So for all the XRP people, for one, you know, listen to others kind of about XRP. Let's see here. I would definitely check this out if you are an XRP holder and possible airdrop. I don't like airdrops. Airdrops freak me out. They really scare me. They really do. Now, if I get airdrops on an exchange, well, then that's different, completely different. I've done that to where I've held coins and not even knowing. And all of a sudden I have extra coins. Like, what the heck is this? And then I see it's like, oh, I got airdrop coins. Well, that's cool. That's on the exchange. But I've received plenty of airdrops with my MetaMask wallet. And I remember the very first time, I'm so happy that I have buddies that are in crypto, because the very first time, man, I had an additional $50,000 in my wallet. I was like, what? Man, I'm selling this sucker quick. And I told my buddy, I was like, hey, dude, I don't know how I got it. You know, I'm brand new, man. I'm brand spanking new. I got my buddy. I was like, hey, dude, I just got $50,000 in my wallet. He goes, whoa, Joe, whoa, don't connect anything. I said, what do you mean? He goes, don't connect anything. Are they telling you to go to an exchange or something? I was like, yeah, there's a link for their swap. He goes, Joe, don't do it. If you connect your wallet, they will take all of your money. I said, are you kidding me? Nope, they will take all your money. And I was like, wow. And I got saved. I got saved big time. Because, I mean, I didn't have a lot at that time, but I had a decent amount. And I was very, very lucky that I had a friend that told me. So when it comes to safety, here are some tips. One, have multiple email addresses. I have around 12, maybe more. And one of them's for my bank. One of them's for another, financial place. One of them is for my newsletters. One of them is for places I sign up about crypto. One of it. So I have a lot. I have a lot of emails. So I know that if I get an email saying, Mr. TradeIntuition, your bank account has been whatever, and that is coming from my newsletter email address, I know it's not real. Not only that, but I've done it in the past wherever I get anything from, let's say, an exchange or a bank or whatever. I never click on the link that's inside the email. I go and I go to my favorites because I already have them favorite. I go to the favorite and then I go to the actual website that way. Because you can click on the link. It's called phishing. You can click on the link. It looks identical to your bank. You do your login. You're like, why do I have to log in? I'm normally logged in. So you do your login, your username and password. You hit submit. And then it says error, redo your password. And you're like, oh man, I probably typed it too fast. So you type it again really slow. That's them confirming you put the right stuff in. And then when you do put the right stuff in, they reroute you to your original bank. And then if you're already logged in, well, then you're great. Or you might need to log in again. And if you have to log in again, now you're thinking, whoa, man, this is really weird. So you log in again, it's like, what's going on? Oh, I'm in. Okay, never mind. That's the thought process, But there's a lot of phishing attacks. There's a lot of just everything. So just, be very careful, guys. Be very careful. All right, we're almost done, guys. We're almost done. We're going to get to some Bitcoin. And then after that, we will get to some rapid fire. I love doing the rapid fires. We'll probably just do like 3 rapid fires. I have a lot of charts I have to do. Well, of course, I will be hanging out in the VIP screen share. I was doing that for a few hours earlier today. And just going over charts. Right now I'm working on just charting out the long-term bull run coins. And we're looking at 10, 20x. It's just gonna be too easy. But it's easy now that we've already had that experience. For the people just coming in, they're gonna get bamboozled by all these YouTubers and everybody else. Just everything that they do. I mean, we've all been bamboozled. All right, so crypto news says over 70% of crypto users have never lost assets to phishing or hacks. Over 70% of crypto users? I doubt that. I would say, nah, I doubt that. Over 70% of crypto users have never lost assets to phishing or hacks. No, not over 70. I would say, heck, man, 40% of crypto users have never lost assets. Because I talk to people all the time that have been scammed. Like, all the time. Over 70%? I don't think so. I don't think so. All right, so if you want to, you can read this. It says, yep, I have lost crypto due to a phishing attack scam. Yep. And this is I remember when I first started and I saw the XRP, send in 1 Bitcoin and get 2 back. What? Really? Oh man, you're thanking me? Awesome. I came in at the right time. Or 100 XRP, whatever they were doing. I was like, man, that's perfect. I just didn't have any XRP at the time. Or maybe I did, but it was my wallet and there was a lot of steps. Anyway. But, I mean, I was gullible too. I was like, wow, I sent you 1, you sent me 2? That's pretty, for thanking me and supporting the system? Okay. But I'm glad I didn't. I mean, I'm not going to lie to you. I really was like, okay, that sounds like a great deal. Next one is, yes, I have lost crypto due to wallet app or bridge hacks. Ugh. Yeah, I've been really lucky. Oh, and that's another thing too. Like with your MetaMask wallet. Same thing. I have several main MetaMask wallets. And inside the main MetaMask wallet, I'll have around, 10 sub wallets. so that if I'm going to play a Web3 game or something and they need to connect to a wallet, I name that sub wallet their name. And of course, if I need tokens or whatever to put in there, but then that's where I put only those tokens. And then if there's something else that has to connect for, say, staking or mining or whatever, each one has its own wallet. So that if anything does happen, hopefully it only affects that sub wallet. And for the main wallet, I have multiple main wallets. So that's another thing that I do. Okay. Let's see here. So there's things on the risk and etc. Hacks and safeties. But the emails is the biggest thing, and multiple wallets is the biggest thing. Next one, Bitcoin Layer 2. This is going to boom. I've been talking about this for several months already. Bitcoin Layer 2 ecosystem. And this is the inscriptions. This is the BRC20 tokens. This is all this. This is what they're talking about. This is going to be huge. In my opinion, it's going to be right up there with AI. Remember what happened to AI, right? That's the same thing right here. That's the same thing. What's up, DP? What's up, buddy? Let's see here. Very good. See phrase only. We got Ian saying that was a good chilled charting session in the VIP this afternoon. Thank you, man. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Just go in there and just see what I do. You know, we got Big Apple in the house. What's up, buddy? What's up? Just going over some news. We're almost done with the news. We're gonna get to some Bitcoin. Maybe do 2 or 3 rapid fires, and then after that, I got to go back to charting. I have to update the spreadsheet as well. I've been updating it. It takes a lot of time and effort, but I like it. It's cool. See, we got Jack Smith in the house. What's up, Jack? What's up, buddy? Appreciate you, man. Of course, I appreciate everybody smashing the like button. Thank you, thank you so much, guys, for that. Bitcoin Layer 2 ecosystem is booming as fourth halving approaches. Yes. So this right here, I am actually working on posting in the VIP my list of long-term bull run investments, not trades, but investments. Can you imagine? You just put $100 in one of the coins, because I'm going to have a few coins in each category. So I'm not going to have all the coins that I like. I'm just going to have a few in each category. And so if you could throw, and again, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes. But if you were to throw maybe $100 or $50 or $200, whatever you have, whatever, into these coins, and at the end of the bull run, let's just say put $100. At the end of the bull run, November 2025, when everybody's talking, mark my words, when everybody is talking about an extended bull market, everybody's talking about it, and you're going to get bamboozled. And if it does extend, that's fine. Because at that time, that's when we're just going to be trading. We're not going to have the investment mindset. Now, we're going to have the trading mindset. Yeah, I'll trade. I have my stop loss, etc., etc. But I'm not holding it. I don't want to hold it. I want to make money and keep my money. So that's what we're going to do. And everybody's going to, mark my words, everybody's going to be extended bull market. Not again. I will not get bamboozled again. I will not. So with that being said, these coins, let's just say you put $100 in one of them and $100 in another, and so on and so forth. You know, as each paycheck goes, you put $100 on those. And at the end of the bull market, that $100 on one of them turns into $1,800. Another one turned into $2,400. Another one turned into $5,700. I mean, just imagine that. No trading skills, no nothing. You just set it and forget it. And then with the other money, yeah, you trade, you do leverage, you do regular spot. You know, you're in all these coins. But these particular ones, these are ones to where I believe they're going to do very, very well. I've been doing a lot of research, again, on these coins. And plus, these coins are from the last one. So I already know about them. I know what they can do. I know what they've done. Now, there's a downside to that. The downside is they're not going to have a partner with Amazon. They're not going to have a partner with, NVIDIA. Because all that already happened. All that hype already happened. Now, the benefit of getting newer things, which we will have newer ones in our in our list, but they're not here yet. The benefit of having that is that now they will have partners with NVIDIA. They will have partners with, all these other entities. And then that's when your, 3x goes to 17x. So we're going to have our ears to the crypto streets on that. So just let you know. All right, so that's the end of the news. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Well, it's making everybody mad. Everybody who's trying to short and long Bitcoin. Why? Well, because it comes above the 200 or the 9 SMA and then goes down and then goes up and goes down. People are trying to short it. I tried to short it yesterday. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, it'd be fun. I tried to short it. It'd be fun. It'd be like super cool because everybody's longing right now and nobody's shorting. All the shorts are getting liquidated. I said, man, that'd be pretty cool. I get it. And then I had a tight stop loss, 3x leverage, 5% stop loss, and in about 2 hours I got stopped out. But it's okay. It is okay. Let's see here. We got Mr. Dave P saying hi to Big Apple. We got Dave saying hi to people. Awesome. We got Sam Webb. What's up, Sam? We're going to be doing a rapid fire. I really do like the rapid fires. And we will be doing Claudia's CELR. I can never say the word, their name, for some reason. I don't even know. But yeah, we will get to them. And so I'll probably need like 2 more rapid fire ones, and then we'll take care of it. Or just one. It's fine. Oh, it's great. So first things first, what is the market doing? What is the market? I like doing this. So first thing is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is above this level. Great. Awesome. It'd be really nice if it retraced and got support back on this level again. But right now, we're just waiting. We're just waiting to see what happens. Bitcoin dominance is coming down, which that's good. When Bitcoin dominance comes down and Bitcoin goes up, that means that I'm trying to word it to where it kind of makes more sense. That means the dominance that Bitcoin has is like a pie chart. And when the dominance from Bitcoin, this is just saying that more people are in Bitcoin than the alts. Pretty much, that's what it's saying. And when this goes down, that means that the altcoin is taking up the dominance. So this isn't as strong anymore. And when that happens, that just means money's flowing into the altcoins. And if Bitcoin's going up, and the altcoins are going up, that's a bull run season. Bull run season. Let's see. Joe says, can I look up spell? Yeah, definitely. I will definitely do that. And then we got room for one more rapid fire token. We got room for one more. And then after that, that'll be it. Because we will be doing charting in the VIP. So this was not the free portion, but this is the VIP portion, where I'm showing you, I'm actually charting these coins that I'm posting in the thing. And of course I have a spreadsheet for that too. Total 3. This is everything that excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum. And it is going to the moon. Moon mission. Moon mission. I love it. I love it. Then we have the Dixie. This is the DXY. When this goes down, that's good for the crypto space and the stock market. However, what's going on here? What is going on? It's starting to curve up now. Looks like it found support here. Starting to curve up. We have Bitcoin dominance coming down. We have Bitcoin possibly coming down, but that's mainly because, it had a nice run up already. It's due for a retracement. It really is. But that's one thing we have to watch. We have to see if the Dixie goes up, gets rejected here, and comes down again. Then hopefully that'll bring, a lot of money back into the crypto space. We have Ethereum versus Bitcoin. This is a battle between Ethereum and Bitcoin. It was losing. It was losing for a little bit, 3 days. And then now it says, nah, man, I'm not down and out. Let me see if I can outperform you, Bitcoin. And now it may come up. We'll see. The ES1 exclamation point. This is the stock market. Of course, it did break out of this resistance. Now it's finding support. And this is how easy it is. Support, resistance, trend lines. If it's above it, it's good. Below it, bad. Easy. Easy peasy. Now, is it the same when it goes to trading? If you want to simplify it that much, yep, there is. There is. Let's see. The Big Apple says the altcoin bull market index at 61. Nice, nice. Man, we're gonna kill it. We're going to kill it. So now this is saying that I don't have enough video to maintain a smooth streaming experience. Good Lord. And I didn't change anything. I did not change a darn thing. Yeah, I don't know. But it's okay. Let's see here. So we're going to do that. And what else do we got? Okay. Bitcoin. Let's kind of zoom out on Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on. We had this really nice run up. We do still have this really nice resistance zone. Man, it is close. It is so close. People are calling that it's going to go to 69 this week. 69. You know, right here, right at our party, right at our steak party dinner thing. They're waiting for it. They're waiting for Bitcoin to go to the all-time high, and there are several people who are calling for it. Several people say, publications and everything else, Bitcoin to 69. And then I'm just imagining, like, get into the FOMO mindset. We haven't been over here. Look at this. We were here November 8th, 2021. Well, the week of November 8th, 2021. We have waited a long time, guys. We have waited a long time. And now, and another thing too, we haven't, I'm really surprised, guys. I am really surprised because based off of the history, based off of everything as far as Bitcoin halving and everything, there's usually a dump about 2 months before the Bitcoin halving. We're a month away. Maybe a month and a half. But regardless, where is the dump? What's going on? You know, did the ETFs really change it that much to where now people are going to start possibly looking more into Bitcoin and crypto? Here's where we were. I was expecting when we were back over here in December, again, my whole thought process, start accumulating in March and in April. Due to the fact we're going to have a pullback, more than likely, in January, February, due to it being 2 months prior to the halving, approximately. So January, February, I was expecting a real nice pullback, and that corresponded with this. This is Bitcoin. It was getting rejection, and this is rejection on the weekly time frame. Let's go ahead and do this. So I'm explaining my whole thought process, why I thought what I thought. Where was I? Oh, here it is. So this is December 2023. When we hit this resistance, it's like, okay, cool, whatever. Resistance again. Ooh. Oh, wait a minute, guys. I think it's going to happen. I think we're going to get rejected. Rejection again. Rejection again. A whole month of rejection. And now everything is making sense to me as like, okay, approximately 2 months prior to the halving, there's this dump. And then what ends up happening, it goes kind of sideways for about 2 months and then start taking off to the moon mission. So that's why my whole plan for this 2+ years was March and April of this year, I start buying because I'm going to get it at a discount, you know, and I know that the prices will start going up instead of in the middle of the bear market or the end of the bear market or the beginning or whatever, and it continues going down for an extended period of time. So when this happened, I was like, okay, rejection. More than likely, it's going to come down here to about, I don't know, 27.31. This is this level right here, 30.7. This is a weekly level. So I'm thinking it might either break below it, come up, get rejected, and then kind of bounce here for a little bit, and then break above that level, which is this right here, or come down to the level, and then start doing this number. This is what we needed to happen. This is what I thought was going to happen. What happened? Broke through with the vengeance. A vengeance. A vengeance. That's like an old ex right there. Just stalking you. What's going on? Yeah, we can look at that one too. Look at that one. This is institutional ETF FOMO driving the price. Yep, sure enough. ETFs have changed the game, yeah. So we have our 3 coins. Do I think we're going to hit it? Yes, I do. Just because there's so much FOMO. There is so much FOMO. Now, what I would really absolutely love, because there's a bunch of sell orders up there, you know that. What I would really love is for the price action to do the all-time high. And then, of course, once it comes up here, now it comes down. Now it comes down. And then hopefully to the 618. Hopefully to here, which will be about 48. You know, if not, between 48 and 43. Because there's some good levels right here. But do I think it's going to go lower than that? No. Like, I was really hoping and dreaming of 31. Based off of, I think it was this level. Once it started coming up here and started like getting rejected, it's like, okay, this is not an actual pivot. But if this does become a pivot, more than likely it's going to come down to, you know, such and such level. But nope. And it's so funny too. Story time. It's so funny. People, they'll say, just like with me. But I tell you what I was saying though. Here, I thought it was going to come down. Especially with this just built to my confluence right here. That just built to my confluence that based off of the history, this is what it should do. Now, there are some people saying, well, no, like it's not going to do that because of X, Y, and Z. And then because they're right, they will make it a point to say, look, guys, I told everybody, blah, blah, blah. I said this and this and this, and look what happened, blah, blah. Just to show that they're right. However, let's say it doesn't happen and it goes the other way. Do they say the same thing? Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. With me, I tell you what, I thought it was going to come down. And I tell you why I thought it was going to come down. But with them, they'll change their story. They'll say it's going to go down 1 week. Then the next week it's going to go up. And then, you know, if it goes up, they're right. If it goes down, they're right. But I tell you my thought process all the time. Okay, so let's go to rapid fire. I want to do some rapid fire. So our first rapid fire coin was, you got to remind me, guys. I'm going back in the chats. And appreciate all the likes, guys. Thank you so much for doing the likes. I greatly appreciate it. Oh, yeah, clear. Or sell, or however you pronounce that. I forget how you pronounce that. Okay. So let's come over here to CKB. So good. The price was up here. We were saying that it more than likely might come down before it possibly comes up. And plus it was right into resistance too. So that's why we didn't enter. So good. Okay. So let's do a CELR USDT. Okay. And we'll do Binance. All right, guys. This is going to be rapid fire on CELR. Let's go. All right. So this is the weekly. So looking at the weekly, looks really good. Wow. Cellular, I can't say the word. Cellular network. So this one looks really good. It's ready. So that's right there. Yeah, that one's good. Great find. And we're going to do a bull run investment hold. That's what we're going to do on this one. But I'll still give you targets though. So this one right here, bull one, I don't remember what this is. All I know is that it's ready. So let's go to the daily. And I don't even care about all this junk. I don't even care about it. Because we're already in the part where, you know, if you want this to be an investment, you can enter. Look at that. Beautiful. Just good Lord. Look at that. Just nice support. Could it come down? Yeah, sure. Of course. Why not? But like, this is the time we're going to make money, guys. So let's go back to the weekly. And for me, I don't even care. Like, let's just say I entered this one $100, long-term trade, and it comes down back to here. Okay, We're literally at the door is open already for man, I hate that I can't stop teaching or giving my thought process. It's I gotta go to a meeting about that. That's what I gotta do. Hello, my name is TradeIntuition, and I help too much. Hi, TradeIntuition. Yeah, I gotta go to one of those. But if it comes down, I don't care. I'm going to put more in, because right now we are literally inside. We're stepping inside the bull marketplace gallery extravaganza. That's where we're going. We're there. We're there already. So, all right, here we go. Rapid fire. Oh wait, I already did the rapid fire part. Let's see here. Okay, so let's go and do the first target. First target is roughly 122%. Thank you very much. Next target, this is long-term holds. I'm not sure if you were asking for long-term holds, but you got it. Long-term holds. So there's one. Now, this is a long-term hold idea. This is not a bull run rally investment holding or just investment. Because for the investment part, you know, you're just going to be adding to your bags. You're not going to be selling. If you want to sell, you can, and then just compound it. You can do that. But so hopefully you can see this 66.19. So 66.19. That's the first one. Second one, 6.9. Third one is 10.974. Okay, and then the last one is 13.9. Okay. Okay, perfect. And you know what, fine, we'll do a stop loss. We'll do a stop loss of like 10%. Just so people aren't, how come you didn't do a stop loss? But I wouldn't do a stop loss though. So we'll do a stop loss of that. And that one is 26.35. 26.35. Oh, wrong one. So this is your oh. So this is your rapid fire for CELR network. We do have our targets right here in green with a stop loss. For this one, it's more of a long-term bull market investment. You're going to enter it, you're going to hold it. None of this information I provide is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now, if you only wanted it for a short-term trade, then you could do a stop loss of around 12% right over here. This has a really nice double bottom, and it's currently breaking through this neckline. I think that's it. Yeah, sounds good. All right, let's see here. Yeah, 499 subscribers. Who's gonna be the 500th subscriber? Who's gonna be it? And just a few weeks ago, I was at 24. Like literally, like 4 weeks ago, I think I was at 24. Who's gonna be the 500th? You guys are great. I love you guys. Love you guys so much. Let's see. You should make a rapid fire intro. I need to do that. I'm gonna write that down. There was a thing. I did a video and it has like fire. But I think I don't remember if that was on TikTok. I did it really late. It was like 3 in the morning. I don't remember if it was on TikTok or CapCut. But yeah, I'm gonna write that down too. I need to do a rapid fire intro. Rapid fire intro. Thank you for that. Yeah, any suggestions you got, guys? We're family, so help out. Let's see here. The CELR is one of the first Binance Launchpad coins. Oh, nice. Remember, guys, one goes up, they all follow. Nice. Yeah, Launchpad, actually that's what led me today to do my list, was because there's a few Launchpad tokens that I'm looking at. All right, so that was the first one. And then this was the second one, I think. If I'm missing yours, put that back in the chat, please. So this one's a real nice one. And this is a long-term hold. Oh man, I forgot. Let me go ahead and do this as well, because I like doing this. So let's go here. Let's do this. Let's go to this. What I like to do is I like to put the additional information, like the market cap and everything else. So that's what I'm going to do. So just take a few more seconds. CELR. Yeah, I was working on it last night, this morning, in reference to some of these videos. And it's, man, I took so long to do these videos. Like I literally had to, like 4 hours, 5 hours to rewatch my video, edit all that out, and then chop up what I had so that, I don't know what I'm doing, market cap. Chop up what I had so that I could crop it into other short videos. And that took me another, 2 hours or whatever. Long story short, I spent around 5 hours doing maybe 8 to 10 short videos. And then I looked this morning because I don't know, like 3 or 4 had already been posted. I looked this morning and it said 16 views, 13 views. I was like, no. Oh, gotta love it. That's the part I don't miss about being an influencer. That part right there. Because I used to do, right now I'm looking up stuff. I used to like wake up at 5 in the morning, and then let's see, substrate launchpad. Okay, so launchpad, zero proof. Wake up 5 in the morning to do my research on just news, what's moving the market and everything else. And then I would have to, get my charts ready, get everything prepared, etc., and make sure, I looked okay, not all, bed face or nothing. And then, sure enough, I would do my live stream, for about an hour, and then go about my day or what have you. Well, come to find out that all that work and all that whatever, when I check it the next day, the views, like, it was barely anything. I was like, man, do I really want to wake up at 5? Do I really want to wake up at 5? Oh man. So let me go ahead and put this here too. And then let's put this. This in the front. And I don't even know what to say. So we do have a market cap of 224 million. The main things on this one is 0 knowledge proofs and also a launchpad for the tags. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's do the next one. And it's ready too. That one is 100% ready. Even for a short-term trade, that one's ready. So hopefully you like that thought process. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, Matic. I didn't even know Matic was a launchpad. Because I was doing launchpads today, I saw Matic. It's like, really? And then same thing with Elron. It's like, really? I didn't know those. Yeah, I don't think of those. I think of those like I think of, just layer ones and AI and, just all these other platforms that, I'm familiar with, or rather associate them with. But yeah, I was very surprised. And then same thing with Band. I know Band is an Oracle. Granted they have a bunch of things, but it's like, wow. Claudia says, thanks, Joe. Great analysis. Oh, cool. Thank you. So what other one was there? I already forgot the one I was going to do. Oh, yeah. VG or X or something. Joe, can you look at? Yeah, definitely. Okay. So let's do this one. XVG, USDT, USDT. Okay. Or a bounce. Okay. So it's going to be a short-term trade, right? All right, so this is rapid fire on XVG. Looking for a bounce. So this is going to be a short-term trade idea. So let's do this, and this, and this. Right now it's right underneath resistance. Would I enter? No, depending on the price range of this. If it's 20 or more, then we can enter. But if it's less than that, okay. So we'll look at it. So let's go to the daily time frame. And we do have this level. Put this for the red. Nope, not the red with the line. Red. Okay. Ah, man, no. I wouldn't enter it right now. I mean, even if I were to enter, before I get to that resistance zone, it's like 14%. So it's not worth it to me. And even right here, it's dangerous too. So this would be the danger zone. This would be the no zone. This would be the danger zone. And then this would be the end zone, I guess. Okay, yeah. So let's go ahead and identify this as well. And the reason this one is it's kind of like the warning zone is because look at all these wicks. Like it tried several times. Snap in place. And this one would be, I don't think I have a yellow. A yellow box. Not a yellow. Okay. So we'll do this, this. Lower this down a little bit more. And this too. Okay. And we'll name this one warning. I don't know if we won't want to name it. That's very rare. No, we won't name it. Might go back down. I'll just put that. Might go back down. That's not even good verbiage. Might go back down. May lose this area. How's that? May lose this area. That way I don't sound like a 10-year-old boy trying to do something. That, this. Okay, cool. May lose this level. So for me, I am willing to lose, or not lose, but I'm willing to not risk. Oh my gosh, no. I just put a tight stop loss. That's way too much. Never mind on that. Get rid of that idea. Okay, so we scratched that idea. Let's go over here. Let's see how far it may retrace to. Okay, it's in the golden pocket. Let me make sure that I'm correct. It went in the golden pocket. Looks like it's coming up. Nice support here. We have a lot of really big divergence on the 4 hour. So we'd have to, oh man, this one's gonna be kind of a tough one. So the things I do like about it. So let me do that first. The things I do like about it is it did have a really nice retracement. It didn't just come down to the 236 area and then start doing its thing, because it can easily come back down. The thing that I do like about this is it came all the way down to the golden pocket just to, you know, do that crazy wick. It looks like it's getting strength. You know, it came down here, it started leveling out, and now it's kind of going sideways. So for this one, the candle body would have to close above this level. So let me go ahead and, it would have to close above that level. I know it's kind of tight as far as in the blue, but this is the actual candle body close. So it would have to close. Let me do it a little further over here. You can see. It would have to close above the bodies, and then we enter. But the candle must close, not a wick. The candle must close. So we go from here. Let's say we catch it right here. We don't catch it at the very bottom. Our first target is roughly 11%, and our stop loss would have to be like about 5%. So let's move this over. Okay. All right. So we're going to work with it. We're going to work with it. Mr. Tom Crown's in the house. What's up, Tom? Hey, man, I was talking about you the other day. Good stuff. Hopefully your ears were ringing. What's up, Tom? So, yeah, so this one was a kind of a tough one, but I wasn't going to wait all that. You know, that's 50%. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and, yeah, I like it. Okay. And then our first target, man, I really want it more. I mean, but it is a 2-to-1 ratio, you know, as far as the reward to risk or risk to reward, however you want to say it. You just put those numbers, flip them. So that would be my first one. This area right here, this is what really, like, this is going to be our key area. And then once we break this area, then this is when you get to that other portion. Like this part right here, this is going to be the really dangerous part. Because once we do break above this, I mean, it's done it several times, and it just faked us out every single time. Every single time. So that's one thing that, like, we definitely have to have that stop loss. And then as we enter this zone, we have to move it up. That's going to be priority number one. You have to move with that stop loss. All right, moving on. Let's come over here to this. And then, so the next level would be right around here. And then we'll do one more, which will be right up here. But for this one, especially when we get to that area, and it's very visible on the daily, seeing those wicks. When you see those wicks, that just screams like just sell pressure. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. So 75, 9. What was this one? 65, 76. I'm not gonna mess with that. Just come over here. Is it? Oh, I had them all so close together. Copy. What I need to do is change that yellow one so it doesn't confuse people. So this would be a blue. Okay. So that makes it easier. And then this one, let's do this. Copy. Over here. Paste on this one. Target. Then we'll do this one, 93.41. Perfect. And then 4. Right. All right. And one thing that I like doing, as I mentioned, is getting the market cap. I like doing that. And then also the tags, because the market cap is really important. XVG. Because it tells you, like, if you can put a lot of money in or not so much. This one is market cap of, let's see, 105.7. And then for the, let's see here, for the tags, it's just mineable. There's nothing really mineable, multiple algorithms. We got boring tags. I actually trade this one. I don't even know what it is. See what it's about. Privacy focused cryptocurrency and blockchain that seeks to offer fast, efficient, decentralized payment network. Okay. Oh, that's right. VergePay. The wallet. That's right. So let me go to their website. That way I can do a screenshot. A secure and user-friendly digital currency. I remember that. Okay. I'm going on their website. Oh, well, let me just show you what I'm doing. I forgot that I don't have to change the screens. I've been doing Discord a lot, and you got to change the screens. So, community-driven, security, mass adoption, it's a wallet, download preferred, Verge Pay wallets. Okay, they got everything covered. Let's see, partners. Okay, orders, got it mentioned in. Okay. They have nodes too. Oh, that reminds me. I got to turn on my other computers for the nodes to be running. Um, milestones. Just gonna click this real quick just to see. 23. Okay. All right, cool. So it's a wallet. Downlink privacy pay wallet. Okay. So that way I have just something I can put on here, you know? Okay. So for this one, it is a wallet. All right. Markup. So XVG, this is Verge Pay Wallet. Market cap of 1.5, market cap of $105.7 million. It does have some divergence, some bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. We went ahead and drew a fib retracement tool and found our levels. It does need a break above 0.006576. We're going to have a tight stop loss, and here are our targets. Of course, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Okay, get down. Good stuff. Let's see here. I got to catch up on the chat. Catch up on the chat. Let's see here. So, XRP, BNB, Egode, Chromium. List goes on for launchpads. Yeah, I noticed that. I didn't realize there were so many. I mean, I knew there was a lot, but I didn't realize there were so many. See, Dave P, is that? Do you want me to do that one as a, or is that a launchpad, or is? I know that's ORDS. Is that also with inscriptions? You want me to do that as a rapid fire? Let's see here. Joe says these coins were all launched on Binance Launchpad, including XRP, which it migrated to new XRP. Hard time. Oh, cool. Yeah, I don't know about the IDK. I don't know about that stuff. I'm really big on the TA, and I'm learning the FA. Granted, you would think by now I'd have it down, but I don't know. But yeah, Launchpad tokens, man. Let's see here. What else do we got? What else do we got on the list? Oh yeah, spell. Okay, so let's do spell. Let's see. No, not that one. Forget. YouTube. Okay, so it's going to be SPEL Binance. All right, so weekly. Okay. So this one, in my opinion, is not ready. I mean, it could be. Okay. So a couple things I don't like about this one. So first, let me do this real quick. Let's do this. So of course, it has a little bit of a way to go before our major resistance level. Let's say we do enter this trade. It's only 10%, so it's not bad. So what I would recommend is to wait and risk not gaining an extra 10% just so that you could reduce your risk. Because what could happen is, let's say you enter the trade now, you get the extra 13%, we'll say, and then it wicks, and I'm waiting for the candle to close, and it doesn't close on the 4-hour time frame, and it does this, and then now you're waiting all these weeks while I'm making a whole bunch of money. And then it does a double bottom, and then it breaks out, and then you make a lot of money eventually. But if this was maybe 30% or 40%, then we would look further into possibly entering to get at least 20 to 30% before possibly getting stopped out. So for this one, in my opinion, I would just wait. I would set an alert right at this level, give or take. I would set an alert right there before thinking about going up. And then, of course, you always want to go in the 4-hour time frame, in my opinion. Wait for the candle to close above this level, and then you can decide on entering at that time. But if it just wicks it, don't do it. If it's still active on that 4-hour candle, don't do it. You got to wait for that 4-hour to close. But that's my thought process on this one. I would definitely hold off on that. Let's see here. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Just a bounce. Yes, yes, yes. Where's my buddy Tom? Good stuff. Let's see here. Yeah, Tom's super cool. Like, I really do like him. I remember reaching out to him a long time ago on Twitter, and cool dude. Like, he talked to me and everything. And I'm over here like, man, this freaking cool. Like, I'm over here, I got like 2 subscribers, and he's talking to me, you know. Cool dude. Monster says, hello. When and how would somebody begin dollar cost averaging, prepare for the bull market? Also, what advice would you give someone with limited investment funds? Excellent question. I absolutely love that question. So first off, dollar cost averaging, you can do it anytime. For me personally, I have not dollar cost average. I have not bought any coin. Well, I'm trading a little bit here and there, but nothing to say that I'm officially trading in the bull market. But this was planned. I plan on starting to put my money back into the market in March and in April. I've been saying that for a long time. Now, what you could do, and of course, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes. What you can do is every paycheck that you get, if you have $50 extra, to go out or to have fun or whatever, still have fun, but not as much fun. So if you could possibly take 50% of that, so you still have fun, don't deny yourself fun, and maybe spend $25 on crypto. And the other $25, you have fun, you go, go out to eat or whatever it is. Now, will that make you rich? No. Will that give you life-changing money? No. However, it will make you pretty comfortable in 2025. And what I recommend to everybody, treat this like a savings account. You put money in, $25, $100, whatever. Don't take it out. Don't take it out. If you need to pick up an extra shift, if you need to drive Uber and Lyft and deliver pizzas, there is no shame in this game, because you will be the one laughing instead of them laughing at you, because you're trying to hustle and make some more money. So just know that there's no shame in the game. You know, the ones that really do hustle are the ones that make it. So what I would recommend is, you know, if you could, you know, you might be tired from your original work or whatever, but you're off on the weekends. Do Uber and Lyft on the weekends. 5 hours, 10 hours, whatever. You know, make a little bit of extra money. And then with that money, of course, you can use that for crypto. Now, treat it like a savings account. Put it in, don't take it out. And before you know it, let's say you're able to do $100 in a month. And in that $100, in the next 18 months or so, that $100 might turn into $800, $1,600, $3,200. That's pretty awesome. Not trading it, not doing anything with it, just putting it there. Putting it there and letting it be. That's pretty awesome. So don't think that, oh man, I can only do $25 a week. You know, that I can't, or even $25 a month. You know, that don't let that stop you. Put it in there, don't take it out. Let's see here. Also, any advice for someone with limited investment funds? Yeah, just that, man. Like, if you can, try to do something on the side. It doesn't have to be a lot. You don't have to, like, okay, well, I'm gonna work 32 hours on the weekend. No. Like, deliver pizzas. You know, 4 hours a day. You know, Saturday and Sunday. That's extra money you didn't have. You know, if you like going out 2-3 times a week, well, try to only do it 1 time a week. You know, if you buy the most expensive, you know, if your grocery bill on average is $200 a week, try to do 170 a week. You know, all that little bits and pieces is going to save up and add up. So hope that helps. But great question. Absolutely great question. Let's see here. Moving on. Let's go over here. Let's see. Big Apple says it's trying to bounce after touching the golden pocket and bouncing off. Yep. Mm-hmm. That's a good one. Let's see here. Inscriptions. Okay. Well, no, Dave P. I will do that one. I'll do that one. And then that would be the last one. That'll be the last one. Hey, we're over our time. And I love hanging out with you guys. I really do. You guys are the best. I say, who thinks the M&Ms will make another sweep before liftoff? Who thinks the M&Ms will make another sweep before liftoff? I have no idea what that means. But let's do ORDS. Do ORDS. ORDS. Okay, so it's going to be MEXC. And let's do this. Ouch. All right, guys, it's going to be rapid fire on ORDS. Special request from Dave P. This is ORDS on the weekly. So let's do, this is on the daily time frame. No support resistance levels. Okay. Now we're looking at the 4-hour time frame. Okay. So what we can do here now is we can actually use the fib extension tool. So now what we're going to do is use the fib extension tool. That way we can get some targets. We're going to do a low, we're going to do a high, and we're going to do the next low. Oh, market makers. I'm thinking the candies. Oh, that's funny. I think I need to eat before I do my live streams. I really do. That's funny. The M&Ms? What do you mean M&Ms? like Hershey's and like with the ones with the nuts, or what are you talking about? That's funny. All right. So let's do our thought process. Rapid fire style. I do like this. So do this. Yeah, that is funny. Yeah. As soon as he said market makers, like, oh, that's right. I remember when I felt really dumb asking that a long time ago. Now it's like, oh, that's right. I remember that feeling of feeling dumb. That's funny. That's so funny. Moving. All right, so stop loss would be fairly tight. Yeah, we'll do it right here. This is 25, 50, something or other. I get it? Yep. And this one is 58.21. Perfect. Target. Then 36.7. 7, perfect. 44.1. Perfect. Awesome. Send that out a little bit. Can I reach it? Can I make it? Nope. Okay. No divergence. Everything looks good. Let's see here. Let's do this. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and same thing. I like looking at the market cap and all that fun stuff. ORDS. swap. Okay. Let's see. What's your favorite gaming coin? Gaming coin. I don't even know. I know my favorite AI coins. Well, one of them is FET. Um, Gala, I don't know, man. Gala is kind of. I remember losing a lot of money on Gala. So, and everybody talks about Gala, but I don't know. Market and fear. Fear, I don't like. Market cap. Fear, I lost a lot of money. Setups and everything. 58 million. I like that. I like the sound of that. 58.2 million. Okay. And for the tags, just BRC20. Okay. Nice. So BRC20 token. Token. The Gala, I don't know. What other gaming ones are there? I can't even think of them right now. But, oh, there's one, guys. It's called Ride. RIDE. It was on the Elron network. This was back in 2021. That thing, if it's still around, I don't even know if it's still around, is going to be so amazing. It's going to be so amazing. Realistic. What's up, buddy? Yeah, we're actually over our time. We're over our time already. I'm doing the last rapid fire already. But it's called Ride. It was on the Ethereum, it was on the Elron network. And you had to do like a bunch of different hoops to actually buy it because it was on the one of Elron's swaps, or that you had to, I don't know what you had to do. There's a lot of steps. I said, no thanks. I'll just wait. But RIDE, that it's really cool. It's like 3D goggles things. And so the kids, you know how they're always yelling and, oh, he's touching me, he's touching me. Well, here they have the goggles on, and as you're driving, you're turning left and you're right. It's like they're in a spaceship and it's going left and right. It's pretty cool. What's the one that you, it's not WorldCoin. What's the one, this was back in 2021, where you create yourself as an avatar. And they had a whole bunch of these things already in place where it scans your body and it creates the avatar. What's that one? That was back in 2021. And they actually had machines that would scan your body to create your avatar. So while you're thinking about that, I'll finish this one up. So ORDS is ORDS swap. This is a market cap of 58.2 million. This is a BRC20 token. And it does need to break above this level right around 0.27639 for our possible entry. We do have our targets here along with our stop loss. None of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. I do thank you, and we'll see you on the next video. Okay, so that was that. Joe, why do you talk weird when you're doing those videos? Man, you gotta talk weird. Because if I talk like this on there, they're like, oh man, no, I want somebody who's like, I need somebody who talks weird. Like, okay. But, all right, guys, well, that's going to be it for me. I got to edit this video and etc., etc. But I'm going to be in the VIP area. So if y'all are in the VIP, great. If you're not, strongly recommend doing that. I didn't post it in the chat. So here it is in the chat. And pin that as well. If you're not in the VIP, get in the VIP. That's where I'm going to be out hanging out today. And just doing more charting. I'm going to be doing more charting. I got some music going on, but you can mute it. And that way you just kind of see what I'm doing. And just charting some coins. These are my long-term coins. These are, so in March and in April, if you want to, you can do them now. But but they're ready though. And I'm letting you know too. It's like, this one is ready to go. Like it's going already. So just kind of give you a heads up. But I might start entering them next week. We'll see. But I do thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the Discord. And come hang out. All right. See ya. Oh, I forgot. I got to do an outro. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being here today. I will see you tomorrow. My name is Joe, also known as TradingIntuition. And I want to give a special shout out to Realistic. Thank you, buddy, for being here today. We got Mr. Jack Smith. Appreciate you, man. Mr. Dave P. Without you guys, I'm nothing. I really am. So, Dave P., I appreciate you so much. P. Jack 301. Love you, man. We got Jack Smith. Say his name again. We got Big Apple. Thank you so much. Let's see here. Who else do we have? I know I'm missing people. We got Joe, the market makers with the M&Ms. Good stuff. Sam, thank you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate you. And got Ian. Thank you, Ian. Yeah, I was talking to Ian earlier. Like Ian, he's a good dude. He has become an official OG in the TradeIntuition family. He has officially done that. That was on the last couple streams. And of course, we got Tom Crown. Tom Crown was in the house. Thank you, Tom. Appreciate you, man, for showing up. We got Sam Webb. We got Dave P. We got all my buds. Oh yeah, of course, Claudia. Claudia with the thanks and the very nice setup. I mean, it was a really good setup. I really did like it. And then let's see if we can get those 500 today. I saw it earlier. I was like 6 away, I think. And now we're just 1 away. So hopefully we got them. Hopefully we got it. And I don't even know where to see it on this thing. Can I pick it up? Nope. Oh well. All right, guys. Well, I do thank you so much. And we'll see you on the next live stream. So let me go do the outro, and that way we can do the thing. So ready? 3, 2, and a 1. A bingo and a bango.